friends, this is a totally different video. I am going to voice over this video because I filmed this last night and I am compelled deep in my heart to say the words that I want to say on this video. It might not be for everyone to hear. It might be just for a small few. It might be a glimmer of hope for someone out there, but I don't know why, but I'm truly compelled to share this. When I flipped that camera around and made my very, very first YouTube video, never in my wildest dreams could I have imagined that I would make friends and that YouTube would bring me the joy it brings me. Throughout this journey, I can't even express my gratitude to you all. I cannot even express it. I mean, it brings tears to my eyes to know that 10,000 people, 10,000 strangers have clicked on my videos and liked them or shared or commented. You know that my subscribers to me are the world. You are not just subscribers, you are truly my friends. The friendships that I have made throughout this journey have been so phenomenal. When I started YouTube, I know many of you don't know this, but I was in such a low point in my life. I had just gone through a business deal that was catastrophic for me and my family. One day I might share what happened, but I was at my lowest point in life and I could not see a glimmer of light, and I decided just to start YouTube to take my mind off things and just share my home and my shopping and things like that, and my silly personality, because we all know I'm silly. But what YouTube has done for me, I want someone out there that is listening to this message of hope, that when you're in your lowest place, you don't know what God has around the corner for you. Miraculous things can happen. And truly, I know that it sounds silly, but YouTube and being on YouTube and sharing my creativity, I mean, look, who would have thought a girl drawing on a chalkboard, people would watch a video? I mean, it's just amazing to me. It's just amazing. So I want to thank you all for that. Truly, I want to thank you for coming on this journey. I want to thank you for being part of the 10,000 people that have joined me and have watched me, liked me or not liked me, or thought I was too crazy or not crazy enough, and my shopping hauls, and I really truly get excited, and how you see me on film is truly how I am in real life. When I'm excited about something, I'm over the top, and when I'm sad about something, I'm truly sad. So I just want to say thank you. And for the girl out there or the guy out there that is listening to this message and watching this video, it's amazing. It's amazing. And it's all about love. And YouTube restored my love for humanity. Now, speaking of love, and that's why I decided to use this filter and speak about love and speak about compassion and understanding. America as a whole, all of America, Canada and the United States of America, we are going through something that is so hard to go through. And for a person of faith that truly believes in love and loving each other and loving everybody, I don't care what color you are. I don't care what nationality you are. I don't care if you're purple with orange spots. We are all human. And we must love each other. We must. It is a must. We cannot allow a small minority to destroy what God has put in us. And God practices and preaches love and nothing else. Love one another. There is no one on this planet better than each other, because when we bleed, we all bleed the same color. And when we cry, we all cry tears. And when we hurt, we all hurt the same. No one is better than the other person. And it just breaks my heart to see my two countries that I love so much, going through such destruction right now. I am not taking sides. All I'm saying is that our countries as a whole need a lot of love. We need to show people respect. And that means the people that are destroying the objects of the past, you cannot erase the past. You have to learn from the past. You have to be better people. Yes, maybe those people were slave owners, and that's unfortunate. That is very unfortunate. It's disgusting. It is disgusting. We all agree it is disgusting. But they are there to remind us that we have come a long, long way. And we will never go back to that. So if we find love for each other and understanding and learn from our mistakes of the past, then we will be better people. I know this message might not be for everybody, and you might misconstrue my message, but my message is of hope and peace and love. That's what I want for our countries. That's what I want for America, all of North America, Canada, and the US. And that's why I guess I'm blessed by God to know both countries, to know the love of both countries, to know the people of both countries. The people of these two countries and this great America are amazing humans, and I know that we can overcome all of this. So that's my message to you. I love you all very, very, very much. Okay, thank you for listening to my message. The winner is Darlene Mullins. So Darlene, if you can find me on Instagram, you are the winner of the 10K. And guys, this is what I mean by we're all flawed. I had written the word strong without the G. You see, we all have flaws, but we can all correct them. I love you guys. I love you so very much. And as this says, hey, my sweet friends. Okay, so you made it to the end of the video. I know my messages were really, really long, but and excuse all this because I'm going to work. It's really early in the morning. That's why we're using a filter. I hope you are having a great week so far. I hope you have a great day today. I hope you like my message of hope, peace, and love to everybody out there. The winner, please message me. You know who you are. Message me. Find me on Instagram or here on YouTube, and then we will connect and I will get your address. So that will be great. What else do I want to say? I don't know. Have a great day, guys. I love you from the bottom of my heart. And on Friday, we'll be back to decorating regular. Okay, like I was saying, there is another view of the chalkboard. I think it looks great. I think it turned out really good. I hope you like watching me create this and do this. I do all of these freehand. I always have. It is my way of expressing myself. I already explained all that. And yeah, that's it. I'm off to work. Life is getting back to normal. I know I look like a hot mess, but hey, that's okay. All right, I will see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day. Mwah! I love you all from the bottom of my heart. Thank you to everyone that participated in the 10K. As you know, it was a big milestone for me here on YouTube, and I'm really excited about it. Thank you guys. Mwah! Love you all so very much. Bye, everybody.